Friends, today we are going to make garlic shrimp. It's really good with pasta, for your sandwich, for your white rice, or you can simply eat with anything. So for that I need 500 gram of shrimp. I have washed it, cleaned it, and it's ready. I will take butter, extra virgin olive oil, white vinegar. I'm going to have salt to taste. Now vinegar, I'm going to use this tablespoon, salt to taste, black pepper. You can have red paprika if you wish, I'm not adding it, and one garlic with butter, as well as I'm going to use oregano, which I'm going to show you later on. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to marinate. I'm going to add pepper, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon salt. As I said, you can add paprika to it if you like a little bit spicy. Vinegar, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and I'm going to, if I don't like vinegar, I can switch it with lemon or lime if you wish. I prefer vinegar because it gives really nice tangy taste to it. You can always add lime to it or lemon to it. Now I'm going to cover it up and leave it in my fridge for at least half an hour for it to get marinated really well. Now I'm going to heat my pan with oil. I'm going to add garlic with butter and extra virgin olive oil, and I'm also going to add some oregano because it will give nice smell to my shrimp. This is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to add up my shrimp. Now some people, they don't like overcooked shrimp. Some people, they like really well cooked shrimp. It's completely your choice when you feel it's done. But for me, I like a little bit of red shrimp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on medium flame, and I'm going to mix it gradually from time to time. As you can see, this is how it will look like some time. That's normal, don't be afraid. The water will come out of the shrimp because of the vinegar. That's completely fine. Just leave it for some time, and put your gas now on high flame and let it get fried up. You can see all the water has been evaporated in some time, and this is how it looks like. Now if you don't like overcooked, just close your flame and it's done. It's really well done. But if you like a little bit red, which I do like it, I will let it get fried a little bit more till the time it turns red. My kids like red as well because they don't feel nice if there's too slimy or soft taste of it. So I'm going to mix it very well. I'm going to serve them with pasta. Now if you want to make pasta out of it, you can simply add cream to it and add pasta, which I'm going to show you some other day. But this is how, look at that, this looks yummy. I can smell shrimp, it's delicious, and it's mouth watering. It's completely ready. My shrimp is done. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in your comment box how it worked with you. Thank you for watching.